Welcome to the Royal Botanic Gardens at Kew, where you will find over 50,000 different plants in its care. Widely recognised as the largest botanical garden in the world, it spans over 300 acres, with 10 different climate zones and home to the smallest royal palace in the country. The Princess of Wales Conservatory, home to the largest variety of water lily, the Victoria boliviana, which was living at Kew Gardens for 177 years before it was discovered to be a completely new species. This stunning glasshouse leads you through several ecosystems, including the dry tropics. The Davies Alpine House takes you on a journey to show you some of the world's most resilient plants, from extreme heat to extreme altitude. One of my favourite places to visit is the Water Lily House, which was completed in 1852, created to showcase the giant Amazon water lilies. I love the building itself, with its age showing through the structure. The Victorian ironwork and the gently arching roof really make you feel like you're going back in time. Opposite the Water Lily House is the Grand Palm House. This indoor rainforest is home to some of the most threatened plants in the world, some even being extinct in the wild. The Arboretum is home to over 11,000 trees and stretches across 2/3 of the garden, with many of the trees within the collection being as old as the garden themselves. There's also a huge variety of wildlife around the gardens, which is really amazing to see, including a lot of little goslings. Kew Palace is the oldest building within Kew. This is where King George III received his education, and he spent many summers here with his wife, Queen Charlotte, and their 15 children. I was particularly in love with the yellow wisteria in the gardens of the palace, which was perfectly in bloom for our visit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next one.